Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The fifth day of the fifth lunar month is observed to commemorate Chu Yuan, a famous poet who ended his life in frustration when his heartfelt advice went unheeded by the king. On this day, the Hakka also honor their ancestors, celebrating with an abundant feast complete with rice dumplings or zhongzi, also known as the Dragon Boat Festival and Poets' Day. This celebration marks the official start of summer. So, a traditional Hakka saying reminds us not to put away our winter clothing until we have enjoyed zhongzi.
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. And you know, this month we just had a huge festival here in Taiwan. 这其实是三大节日之一嘛，对不对？这个月已经过了。然后让大家吃得非常的饱的一个节日叫做端午节 or Dragon Boat Festival。你用英文的话是划龙舟节，你知道吗？可是客语的话叫做
耶节。
耶节。The way you say this holiday in Hakka is literally Festival in May， 就是5月的一个节日。
没错。
耶节 ，all right。
不过它还有另外一个名称哦，
是哦，
叫做诗人节。
哦，
你比较少听到吧？
其实比较少听到，可是一讲就记得了，因为是为了屈原的关系。
对，就跟它的典故有关系。
Right， 怎么说？
十年节。
Because the story behind Dragon Boat Festival involves a poet who committed suicide, and his name is Chu Yuan. Sometimes this festival is also known as the Poets Festival, 也就是诗人节嘛，对不对？然后呢，刚刚讲了哦，就是这个时候就会吃很多的粽子。How do you say 粽子 again?
粽
欸 Okay, that's the sticky rice dumpling, all right?
其实过了这个端午节之后呢，你就可以开始把你家里的那个棉被啊，赶快把它收起来
啊！对，好像去年有教过，厚的棉被啊都可以把它收起来，因为夏天到了，
天气就比较稳定，然后就开始越来越热。
那是有一句话嘛，怎么说？
忙色月中，恶破月崩。
That's right. There's a very famous saying in Hakka that if you haven't eaten your 粽子 yet in May, don't put your winter clothes away. But now in this case, since we have passed it, it's time to enjoy summer. So now let's review some of these terms. The Dragon Boat Festival, 五月节，也就是端午节。
耶节
also known as Poets Festival, 也就是诗人节。
十年节
And finally, the rice dumpling, which is 粽子。
粽欸
And there you have it, all about Dragon Boat Festival, right here on ICRT.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.